On Tuesday, January 13, 2026, a new chapter in Caribbean manufacturing was officially written. In the heart of Lakes Pen, St. Catherine, the sound of a ribbon being cut signaled more than just a grand opening. It signaled a $35 million bet on Jamaica's ability to compete with the world. This is the story of Wisynco's Devon H Reynolds Brewery and manufacturing facility, and why this plant is the high-stakes key to a massive US export push and a potential windfall for shareholders. Now in this video, we're going to examine what the facility looks like, why Wisynco wants to expand into exports, and what are the implications for the stock price going forward. If you want more videos like this, please hit that like and subscribe to the channel right now. It will really help our community grow. Plus, you will receive notification when we release more content like this in the future. Spanning an incredible 200,000 square feet, this is not just a factory. It's a high-tech fortress of productivity. But before looking at the machines, you have to look at the name. Wisynco broke tradition by naming this state-of-the-art plant after Devon H Reynolds. Now he's not a founder or a billionaire. He is Wisynco's longest-serving employee with 43 years of service, currently serving as the director of manufacturing. It's a powerful nod to the quote-unquote Wisynco way, proving that this giant is built on people as much as it is on profits. The plant itself is a marvel of efficiency. It was commissioned in June 2025 and it reached its full operational status just in time for this week's official launch. We're talking about an initial capacity of 150,000 hectoliters per year with a canning line that cranks out around 30,000 cans per hour. According to Reynolds, the facility was designed with modular growth in mind, meaning that they can double the capacity the moment the global demand spikes. For decades, Wisynco dominated the local soft drink and water markets with bigger and water. But to grow, you have to diversify. This new facility marks their aggressive entry into the alcoholic and brewed beverage categories. The lineup includes Legend Lager, Mamba Premium Stout, and Empower Malt. However, the real game changer is the partnership with selected brands. By taking a 30% stake in Ringtail Holdings, Wisynco has moved the production of iconic brands like Stone Ginger Wine and Worthy Park Rum portfolio in-house. But why now? Because for years, Wisynco was maxed out. They couldn't grow exports because they couldn't even keep up with the local demand. These investments increased their total manufacturing capacity by over 50%, providing the surplus needed to flood the US market. And they are doing it through canning. While a container can hold 1,500 cases of plastic bottles, it can hold nearly 3,000 cases of can. This massive logistical efficiency allows Wisynco to slash the freight costs, making their production price competitive on shelves from Miami to New York. Now let's talk about the money, specifically for those holding Wisynco on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. As of mid-January 2026, the market has already begun to react. Following the grand opening, the stock saw a notable surge, jumping over 4% in a single session to trade near the $20 mark. This rebounds come after a period of margin pressure in 2025, where the company saw profits dip as they poured cash into this very expansion. For investors, the narrative have shifted from spending to earning. In the fiscal year ended June 2025, Wisynco reported a 15% decline in net profit, largely due to the high finance costs of this $35 million project. But look at the trajectory now. Revenue is up. hitting $57 billion in the last fiscal year, and the most recent quarter show a 10.5% jump in top-line growth. With the factory now fully operational, those massive capital expenses are turning into production reality. The strategic play here is marginal expansion. By shifting from a distributor of imported spirits to a primary manufacturer of brands like Stone's Ginger Wine, Wisynco is essentially verticalizing its profits. Analysts are now eyeing a recovery in earnings per share, which sat at $1.17 last year, but it's expected to climb as exports revenue, collected in US dollars of course, begin to hit the balance sheet. Furthermore, Wisynco remains a constant dividend payer, recently distributing 23 cents per share, even amidst their heavy construction cycle. With a PE ratio currently hovering around 17x, the stock is priced competitively against the manufacturing sector average. As Prime Minister Andrew Holness noted, this facility is a vote of confidence in Jamaica. For the savvy investor, it's a vote of confidence in a company that has moved from being a local hero to a global contender. Wisynco has spent 60 years mastering the Jamaica palate. Now, with a $35 million engine behind them and a stock price on the move, they are not just selling drinks, they are exporting the spirit of the island. Thanks for watching, and click the link on screen now to watch another Jamaican financial content. Catch you in the next video.